It ain't all about fun and games all the time, boys. Sometimes you gotta do some real man work.
Andamos blogueando para YouTube, ya sabes.
Todo, no me
Gotta
quedamos.
do it. Aquí tenemos la mamalona. So maybe like 3 pounds? So it's probably still gonna make some.
According to the chart, it was like 3.7 pounds.
Okay, almost 4 pounds. So it's probably still gonna make.
Yeah, no, it's still gonna make at least 15 pounds.
¿No tienes unos aquí, springs, para cambiarse?
De estado no tengo, pero lo único sería quitarle.
O quitarle lo que tiene.
Yeah, dejarle nomás uno.
Yeah.
Basically.
Or maybe the 10 pound, the one you're
Correct.
saying que a lo mejor está como 10. Con ese se va. Si puedes, mejor quitarle ese, dejarle el grande.
Sí.
Así nomás quedó, dijo el pirata de Culiacán.
Y le dieron en su madre
Así
el
nomás
güey.
quedó, dijo, y le dieron en su madre. Por andar hablando del...
Got it. Locks up now.
Yeah, the bitch locks up. You feel that bitch lock up and stays locked. That's a bad bitch, man.
I
That's
like
whoever
that.
wins it se
I
va a
think I like it
rayar.
better así.
Whoever wins it se va a rayar. Esa pinche troca está mamalona.
No, se ve con mala
No
compañía.
expenses spared, todo motorazo, the Texas Speed Fuel Long Block 408, the 480 built by Russell Velocity, fuel system, dual 55 pumps.
So when is the, what 3 days away?
4 days away.
4 days away. You got 4 days away. Go to what?
HoustonStreetMonsters.com.
There you
You
go.
can buy anything on the website and it's going to
Go
give you the
get you
entries.
for the last days.
Yep.
Go get some merch.
Before it
and win this
finishes.
badass truck.
Yes,
I've already
sir.
test drove it. Fuck badass.
Hello.
Taveras? Same spot. Same spot. So, we're going down 225. And we're going over to Pasadena. Got a couple things, got a couple little errands we're gonna do in Pasadena. Stop by a couple shops. So, I seen this guy on the side of the road. Like, younger dude, I guess, or whatever. Company truck. He's in the suit. He's got a flat tire. Now, I made a U-turn all the way around, so we can actually show this guy to you. Not that I'm gonna stop and help him, because I mean, like, look at him. Now, what in the hell is this guy waiting for? He's got a new truck. He's got a spare. What's he waiting for? Hopes and dreams? Pull the goddamn spare tire down and change that tire. I mean, I really don't know what the hell's wrong with basically today's civilization. Like, get your ass, take the goddamn spare tire down, and get to work so that you can get to wherever you were going. I mean, like, we literally made a U-turn so I can come back and show you this guy. Like, don't be one of them guys. G-Man's Fabrication. Let's check out progress on Blue Magic. I don't even want to get down because I know it's going to be, I'm probably going to get sad.
And a little mad.
Pasa-Get-Down-Dina.
Where are we headed to?
We just came to see progress on Blue Magic. Still got a long ways to go. Still need a lot of bars in there. I should have never stopped.
What's up?
Come on now.
Bro.
¿Qué onda? ¿Cómo
Ayer
estás?
no sé dónde los dejó perdido. Están arriba. Ahí mandaron todo el paperwork. So we had sent out the shocks to get checked out because we were having suspension issues. And the cool thing about it is that they actually test them out, huh?
Yeah, they did.
How do they test them out? Los ponen como en...
They got like a little dyno deal on it.
And then, okay.
It's like some sort of machine that it's like it'll compress it and expand
Okay.
it. So it'll test it the way they came in, and then he revalves them, gets them done, and then he puts them back again, and then changes them with a couple different settings. That's what I'm looking at.
Okay.
And then it'll show like the difference, how fast or how slow.
Okay.
You know. And so I know they came back with the baseline for what we're doing anyway.
Sí.
But regardless of whatever, he's like, whenever you're back at the racetrack, just call me, and then we'll go through a couple things
There you go.
like on what he sent. So, I mean, it should be pretty good now.
So pretty much we sent the shocks back. We got them. They're, I guess, kind of like refreshed. And hopefully we can fix that issue that we were having where it was kind of like bouncing and jumping and stuff like that. And you had fuck with the settings on the shock and it was still doing the same thing. So we figured probably the shocks were, I mean, they've been on the truck for like 2 years. And a lot of times when we transport the vehicle, which is the truck, this one right here,
They be bouncing.
they be bouncing, or sometimes too we leave it strapped down, and that might fuck up the shock. So hopefully after this we can go back to the racetrack.
When the weather gets good.
When the weather gets good, it's been raining a lot, so we haven't got a lot of track time. The track's been closed. I mean, literally we had rain for like 4 days in a row, and then we had a sunny day yesterday, and then today
Back again, rain.
it's nasty again. We've been chilling. We've been chilling. Now everybody's been asking for that racing content, and I mean, we only have one track now, which is H&P.
That's it.
Back
But man,
then-
the weather's been so fucked up too.
Yeah, the weather's nasty. So it's January. It usually gets like this in Houston. It rains a lot. It's gonna rain a lot in January and February. So the next month is we're fixing to have a lot of rain. But now we only have one racetrack, and back then we used to have two. So
There's more options.
there was more options. Now we gotta wait for H&P to be open and it's to be good weather. But yeah, hopefully after this we can, take it to the track, turn it up, and go fast. And then
Guys, so we just left on the gas. Flaco was installing some shocks on Crawfish, and we just pulled up to Clear Lake Speed to get some parts. Let's go check it out.
This is quarter. Well, I mean, I could put a smallest. Nomás dijimos, vamos a ir a comer. Y esto, yo me voy a la mía.
Por lo mismo.
Te apuesto que nomás donde salíamos iba a voltear para otro lado, así iba a ir por su casa.
A huevo, quemaba, ¿no?
Vamos a pagar la comida,
Javier,
Javier.
aquí tengo yo el mensaje de Javier.
Mira, te estoy grabando.
Qué bueno. Tengo el mensaje de Javier cuando dijo, no hay pedo, vamos.
Ey.
Pero este güey va a querer carne, no hay pedo.
No,
vamos.
pero tú dijiste que te iba a hacer una carne cuando venía.
Sí, pero por eso vine en la mañana, para no hacer carne.
Pero
Bien, y vamos en la mañana.
ya se llegó, ya es la hora de la comida.
Vamos en la mañana y todavía hay tacos. Vamos.
Ahí tienen tacos de almuerzo y tienen de todo.
¿No hay de huevo?
También.
Bueno, de eso vamos a
¿De a dólar o esos de pesito?
Sí,
No,
de eso vamos a pedir.
Hazme yo, nos da los meños.
Este restaurante, esta taquería es de las caras, güey. Es pura carne formada. Ah, mira, le pusieron lona y todo el pedo, güey.
Son perros que se ven, ¿no?
No, sí están brutos, güey. También mamalones.
Jalisco.
Ya.
En el oeste, güey. Se hubieran matado volada, es muy lento para sacarte. Es muy lento para sacarte.
Ah, para atacar.